This How to 1 Minute will show you how to edit permalink in Blogger. First of all, log into your Blogger dashboard and select post. And now, for example, I want to change permalink for this post. Before changing the permalink, you have to click on revert to draft. So click on it. After putting the post in draft, now edit the post and click on permalink. Select custom permalink. And now from here you can easily change the post permalink. Tap on publish, confirm, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.